welcome to this week's edition of Play CCN, which is brought to you by Temperzone. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Australia has joined the Global Cooling Pledge, which was launched at the United Nations Climate Change Conference in Dubai. More than 60 countries have actually signed the pledge to reduce cooling emissions by 68% by 2050. Although the US and Australia did sign on to the pledge, India and China did not sign. Daikin Industries has revealed its plan to make India its biggest manufacturing hub for exports. The company will almost triple made in India products sent abroad by 2025. In an interview with the Financial Times, Chief Executive Masanori Tagawa said India would turn into a market as big as China in the future. The goal is to export made in India air conditioning products to 100 markets by 2025, and that's up from 30 markets in 2021. Daikin is also turning to custom-made semiconductors to improve energy savings. Daikin expects to make 10 million residential air conditioning units in the current financial year, and is partnering with a Japanese design company to customise chips for inverters that are used in its air conditioners. Now, inverters are used to adjust the speed of an air conditioner's motor to save energy. The custom chips are more expensive but offer better efficiency and allow a reduction in the use of other components. Daikin said to bring out the full performance of an air conditioner's compressor and motor, the company needs to improve chip performance to avoid reaching a limit. Daikin plans to introduce the chips in high-end air conditioners from 2025 and is looking at using them in about a fifth of its units by the end of the decade. Alfa Laval is using green steel in its heat exchangers. Now, the steel has half the carbon footprint of regular stainless steel. Alfa Laval's heat exchangers contain up to 80% of stainless steel, so this shift is significant. It is all part of Alfa Laval's multi-channel plan to be carbon neutral by 2030. And finally, custom officials have reported an increase in illegal refrigerant seizures in the European Union. Just this week, authorities in Ukraine seized a large shipment of refrigerant being brought into the country as marked as humanitarian aid. There are no signs of a slowdown in the black market for refrigerants anytime soon. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.